In 2023, Marc Lichtenfeld released a stock teaser where he claimed that there's a commodity supercycle developing, and he knows a bunch of tiny companies that will benefit from this. And according to Marc, if you just invest in the 4 special stocks that he discovered, you'd make a lot of money. But as usual, he didn't just tell viewers the name of these stocks. Gilder wanted people to pull out their credit card and buy his expensive newsletter before he revealed any useful information. But lucky for you, I'll just tell you the names of all 4 stocks for free in this video. On top of that, I'll share the pros and cons of investing in each company, and I'll even show you the recent performance of each stock Marc recommended. This should help you decide if Marc is worth listening to. At the very least, you'll save a bunch of money because I'll tell you the names of all 4 stocks for free. So, make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any critical information. First, let's walk through the teaser so we can understand Marc's thought process. In his teaser, Marc told his audience that we're on the cusp of a commodity supercycle that can make investors rich, but only if they invest in the right companies. In case you're not familiar with the term, a commodity supercycle is a long period, usually lasting many years, during which prices of things like oil, metals, and farm products keep going up more than usual. This happens because the demand for these commodities becomes much higher than the supply, often due to big economic changes around the world. For example, in the early 2000s, a commodity supercycle occurred when China rapidly industrialized and urbanized. As China built more infrastructure and expanded its manufacturing, the demand for raw materials like iron ore, copper, and oil skyrocketed, leading to high prices for a long time. This supercycle not only helped countries that export commodities but also had a major impact on global trade and investment. I'm about to reveal the 4 stocks that Marc wanted you to invest in to take advantage of this supercycle. The first stock Marc wanted you to invest in is Earthstone Energy. Earthstone Energy is an independent oil and gas company that focuses on finding, developing, and producing oil and gas reserves in the United States, mainly in the Midland Basin of West Texas. The company has shown steady growth in how much oil and gas it produces and has strong financial performance with rising revenues and solid cash flow. One big plus for investing in Earthstone Energy is its focus on high-quality assets in the Midland Basin, which has lots of growth potential and operational efficiencies. Additionally, the company's careful financial management and low debt levels provide a stable base for future growth. However, investors should be aware that Earthstone Energy operates mainly in one area, which could be risky if regional problems occur. Also, while the company is growing well, it faces competition from bigger, better-funded companies, which could affect its market share and profits. In July 2023, Earthstone Energy was priced $12.19, but by July 2024, it increased to $21.17, representing a 54% profit. The second stock Marc was pitching is Intrepid Potash. Intrepid Potash is a leading producer of potash and specialty fertilizers in the United States, with operations primarily based in Utah and New Mexico. The company plays a crucial role in supplying potassium chloride, potassium magnesium sulfate, and salt, which are essential nutrients for crop production and various industrial applications. Intrepid Potash has shown strong financial performance with steady revenue growth and robust cash flow, underpinned by its strategic focus on cost-effective production and innovative water conservation techniques. One major advantage of investing in Intrepid Potash is its unique positioning as a low-cost domestic supplier of potash, which reduces dependence on volatile international markets. Additionally, the company's diversification into specialty fertilizers and industrial products provides a stable revenue stream beyond traditional agriculture. However, potential investors should be aware of the risks associated with Intrepid's significant capital expenditures needed to maintain and expand its mining operations, which can impact profitability during downturns. Moreover, the company's revenue is highly dependent on agricultural demand, making it vulnerable to fluctuations in crop prices and weather conditions affecting farming activities. In July 2023, Intrepid Potash was priced at $19.22, but by July 2024, it increased to $22.08, representing a 14% profit. The third stock Marc was pitching is DRD Gold. DRD Gold is a South African gold producer specializing in the recovery of gold from the retreatment of surface tailings, a process that involves reprocessing waste from historical mining operations to extract valuable metals. This environmentally friendly approach not only mitigates the environmental impact of mining, but also allows DRD Gold to tap into previously overlooked resources. Financially, DRD Gold has demonstrated strong performance, with consistent revenue growth and solid dividend payouts underpinned by rising gold prices and efficient operations. A significant advantage of investing in DRD Gold is its innovative tailings retreatment strategy, which reduces operational risks and costs compared to traditional underground mining. Additionally, the company's strong balance sheet and commitment to shareholder returns through dividends make it an attractive investment. However, investors should consider the potential downsides, such as the company's exposure to regulatory and political risks in South Africa, which could impact operations and profitability. In July 2023, DRD Gold was priced at $2,181, but by July 2024 it decreased to $1,691, representing a 25% loss. The last stock Marc was pitching is Talon Metals. Talon Metals is a forward-thinking mining company focused on the exploration and development of high-grade nickel deposits in the United States, with its flagship project, the Tamarack Nickel-Copper-Cobalt project located in Minnesota. This project positions Talon Metals as a key player in the supply chain for electric vehicle batteries, a market poised for exponential growth. Financially, the company has shown promise with strategic partnerships, including a notable collaboration with Tesla, which underscores its potential for future revenue and market influence. One major advantage of investing in Talon Metals is its strategic positioning within the burgeoning EV market, which promises high demand for nickel. Additionally, the company's strong partnerships with industry leaders provide credibility and potential financial backing. However, investors should be aware of the significant capital requirements for the development of the Tamarack project, which could strain finances if not managed properly. The company's future success is highly dependent on the timely execution of its project development plans, which, if delayed, could impact its market position and financial projections. In July 2023, Talon Metals was priced at 30 cents, but by July 2024, it decreased to 12 cents, representing an 86% loss. Now, if you found this video valuable and you want to diversify your investments beyond traditional stocks and bonds, I have just the thing for you. Even though I believe that investing in a low-cost index fund is the best long-term investment for the average Joe, the benefits of solid physical gold are hard to deny. I think of physical gold as insurance against unpredictable times, and I'm not the only one. In 2023, central banks added over 1,000 tons of gold to their reserves, the second highest annual purchase in American history. And in 2024, central bank got another 290 tons of gold in just the first 3 months of the year. If the biggest banks in the world are buying tons of gold, I'm sure there's a good reason for it. I found a company that allows ordinary Americans to own and securely store physical bars of gold as part of their IRA account. The best part is that they're giving away a free guide to teach you all about investing in solid physical gold. If you want to learn more about how gold can protect your retirement savings, just click the link in the description to receive a completely free gold IRA guide.